This is our business pitch. Hi everyone, welcome. Industrial operations are becoming more complex, more regulated, more exposed to risk, and we help industrial leaders to break that cycle. At Procudex, we transform that complexity into secure, results-driven industrial programs. In the next minutes, you'll discover how industrial companies reduce OT cyber risk, accelerate IEC 62443 and NIS2 compliance, and turn automation initiatives into measurable business results, not endless projects. Let's dive in. I'll walk you through 4 key sections. First, we'll look at the operational and cybersecurity challenges industrial organizations face today, across legacy OT environments, compliance pressure, and execution risk. Next, I'll show how Procudex addresses these challenges through structured, results-driven OT security and industrial automation programs. Then we'll showcase what this looks like in practice, highlighting our core services, real-world use cases, and customer outcomes. And finally, we'll close with what this means for you, so you walk away with a clear, balanced understanding of Procudex and the value we deliver. Across industrial organizations, we see the same challenges again and again. Operations are built on legacy and fragmented OT environments, with limited visibility and growing IT-OT convergence, and systems that were never designed for today's cybersecurity threats or regulatory expectations. At the same time, cyber exposure is increasing, while IEC 62443, NIS2, and insurance requirements continue to add pressure, and often without clear ownership or accountability. Add to that OT skills shortages, expensive DCS upgrades, and automation projects that overrun on cost, scope, or time, and complexity quickly turns into real operational risk. The real issue isn't technology, it's the lack of structure, alignment, and execution. If this sounds familiar, keep watching. Across industry, more than 60% of organizations struggle with inefficient operational workflows, especially when it comes to OT security and industrial automation. These inefficiencies quietly drain time, increase costs, and introduce execution risk, making it harder to scale, stay compliant, and remain competitive. At Procudex, we don't approach these challenges as isolated projects. We solve them through structured, results-driven industrial programs that bring clarity, control, and predictability to industrial operations. Our OT security and industrial programs are aligned with IEC 62443 and NIS2, focusing on governance, risk reduction, and practical implementation, not paperwork. In parallel, we deliver industrial automation and AI programs that are designed to actually perform in real production environments. All of this is executed using EMCI and FEL-based project management, ensuring early risk reduction, controlled CAPEX, and predictable outcomes. This is what structured execution looks like. The result: fewer surprises, faster compliance, and automation projects that deliver measurable business value. So, what does this look like in practice? We work alongside industrial organizations to translate strategy into execution directly within their operational environments. This includes implementing structured OT security programs aligned with IEC 62443 and NIS2, strengthening governance, visibility, and control across legacy and modern OT systems. In parallel, we deliver industrial automation and AI programs that are designed to operate reliably in real production conditions, not just on paper. Using EMCI and FL-based project management philosophy, we reduce uncertainty early, control CAPEX, and ensure projects are delivered predictably. The outcome is not just compliant systems or automated lines, but sustainable programs that teams can operate, maintain, and scale. So, what does this mean for you? You achieve faster compliance with IEC 62443 and NIS2 without slowing down operations. Cyber and operational risks are reduced early, before they turn into incidents or unplanned costs. By applying structured industrial programs and EMCI and FEL-based execution, CAPEX is controlled upfront instead of corrected later. And most importantly, you get predictable delivery with automation and OT initiatives that generate real, measurable return on investment. So, where do you start? If any of these challenges sound familiar, the next step is simple. It starts with clarity. That's why we offer a free OT security environment scan designed to give you immediate insight into your current risk exposure, compliance gaps, and improvement opportunities. No obligations, no generic reports, just a clear, structured view of where you stand and what to do next. visit procudex.com or contact us at info@procudex.com to request your free scan. You'll receive an email with access details for our e-learning environment, where you can complete a short questionnaire about your OT environment. Please note that access to this free scan is limited. And if you work in industrial environments like OT security or automation, subscribe to our YouTube channel for free learning content. And to stay ahead, follow Procudex for practical insights, real-world use cases, and updates on OT security, industrial automation, and execution excellence. And if this reflects your reality, give this video a like. If you're ready to reduce risk, simplify compliance, and gain control over your industrial operations, let's create something great together. Thank you for your time and trust. See you soon. Bye.